CTU Consolacion Campus ROTC unit for successfully completing the RAATI 2024. First time yata ito na walang nag-collapse na ROTC unit.
Hey!
Mga galing. I will now read the result of the inspection. Headquarters, 7th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Camp Lapu-Lapu, Apan, Cebu City. Evaluation result. For admin and management, a total of 200 points. You earned 186.5. For drill test, total of 300 points. You earned 282.02. For theoretical, total of 200 points, you earned 135.2. For military stakes,